Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, you can see I am here on my terrace and you can see the weather. It's very cloudy weather and yes, very humid weather also. But the plus point is that the wind is blowing. So it seems cool, it seems okay, it's not so much humid like yesterday, but now today I feel so cool here, and that's why generally I come on my roof because of my Dobby. Hey Dobby, he generally comes with me and yes, he gets a lot of space here and he feel happy, so that's why I generally come on my roof. And also here I shoot my video and I talk my speaking practice with you guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to give you a point, I'm going to give you some tips which will help you to enhance your vocabulary. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till the end, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so I have gave you so many tips, tricks, methods to enhance your fluency, and yes, all the methods depends on my experience. So in today's video I'm going to give you some excellent tips which will not only enhance your vocabulary but also it will give you how to do conversation in English in a current situation. Okay, so for this you have to update yourself. How to do? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to give you a point how to enhance our vocabulary, how to enhance our communication skill with the help of current news. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to share with you some points which will help you to enhance your communication skill. Because what happened if we learn some sentences, common sentences like what's your name, where do you live, what do you do. So these are some common sentences. We generally start our communication with someone with the help of these sentences. Okay, but after some times what happened, these are some sentences when stop, so we feel okay, our conversation is going to end up, we don't want to end up our communication skill, so we have to enhance our communication skill. How to do it? For this you have to update yourself, you have to give your focus on your current news in English. Okay, so here I'm going to give you an example how can you enhance your communication skill with the help of news. Okay, so current time nowadays you heard about Kavod Yatra. Yes, so this is a current news and this is a breaking news. So how to do conversation with someone in this particular topic. So if somebody comes to you and asks you some question in English about Kavod Yatra, if you don't know about Kavod Yatra, if you don't know about this current news, so how will you give your answer? You can't give your answer. You know about some structure in English, you know you have some vocabulary in English, but because of lack of knowledge about current news, you can't give your opinion on this particular news. So for this you have to update yourself in current news. So here if somebody asks you a question, what about Kavod Yatra? What is Kavod Yatra? So here I'm going to give you your answer. Kavod Yatra, this is a journey, okay, that generally happen in a July month. In Hindu calendar we can say in Sawan month. Okay, Sawan month this journey happens. So for this the devotee of Lord Shiva, the Sawan month is the month of Lord Shiva, and the devotee of Lord Shiva generally make wishes, and when their wishes fulfill, so they make wishes that okay, I will bring Kavod on my shoulder and I will bring Kavod from home and go to the nearby river and bring some water, and with the help of that water we will bath Lord Shiva. So this is called Kavod Yatra. Now the second point is that What is Kavod? What is Kavod? So this is a Kavod journey. Now what is Kavod? So Kavod is just like a wooden strip, and that strip both side two basket. Okay, and every basket have a pot like lota, and inside they go, and they generally bring that cover on, people generally bring that cover on his shoulder, and they go to the nearby river, holy river, and bring some water on that particular lota, or you can say pot, and just go to the nearby Shiv temple, and with that particular holy water they bath Lord Shiva. So this is the whole journey. Now all over the India there are many sibling, and yes, the 12 some sibling of Lord Krishna, that are those are very popular. But yes, every city, every place, there are some particular Shiv temple. So the covered devotees all over the world, all over the India, they generally start their journey in the month of Sawan, and they took Savar, they took Kamad with his shoulder, and they do this journey in between 28 days, because कावड़ यात्रा जर्नी चलती है ये 28 days के लिए. Okay, so because 28 days, there are 4 Monday held for Monday, and Monday is very favorite for the Lord Shiva. So yes, Monday in a Savan month, so it's very popular day. Okay, so this is the Kavod Yatra, and why it is happening. So there are very interesting stories behind this journey. So according to the first story, it is said that Lord in a Treta era, Lord Ram had started this journey. They took a cover from his shoulder, and went to nearby Lord Shiva temple, and they bathed Lord Shiva with that particular water, and with that, and the Kavod Yatra Kavod journey started. According to the another story, it is said that Ravan had started this journey. According to the third story, it is said that the subject will change, and the whole story is the like same. Parsuram had started this journey. Another story is that it is said that once upon a time there was a Shravan Kumar, a boy Shravan Kumar, and he had blind parents. So he wanted to do Charo Dham for his blind parents. So he he made a wooden strip, and he wear it on his shoulder, and yes, both shoulder there were 2 basket, and both basket their parents were sitting on that particular basket, and they went to the Charo Dham. And after that, the Shravan Kumar brought some holy water from Charo Dham, and bath the Lord Shiva. So this is the story. Now if you know some other story, then please write on the comment section. So I know some 4 story so about the Kavod Yatra. So yes, these are some few story that is very popular nowadays. And yes, but the main point is that the Kavod Yatra, Kavod journey will depend on the Lord Shiva, and it held only the Sawan month. And Sawan month this is a month of according to the Hindu calendar, and it happens in the July month. So this is all about the Kavod Yatra. Now why it is trending nowadays? Why it is trending? So yes, the Kavod Yatra devotee had started their journey from home. They took a kavod from his his shoulder, and in 28 days, and they have to eat, they have to drink, they have to stay. So for this, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh started to show your name on your soap, so that the purity will be remain the same. So that's why Kavod Yatra journey has become so much trending nowadays. And yes, Supreme Court is also involved in this case. So that's why this news is on the breaking news. So in this way you can do conversation with someone. You can ask some question about the Kavod Yatra, and yes, if you if you will ask some question related to this Kavod Yatra, and yes, you will increase your communication level, and yes, you will feel more confident in English, because you are asking with you are talking with someone in a current news. So in this way easily you can enhance your communication skill. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and you can choose any other topic, you can choose any other news, and do practice, do conversation with someone. Don't worry if you have no one and you are a learner, you are a beginner, don't worry, do conversation with yourself. But please do conversation, there is no any harm for update yourself. You can easily update yourself with some news, enhance your communication skill. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.